Hey guys, it's Jovi, and I've been meaning to make this video for a while, but I've been waiting for one more item, but at this point, it doesn't even matter because our lights might be off tomorrow. Yay, tariffs! Anywho, so if you don't know, I'm going to insert a video of the other Anchor uh, uh, generator that I have. This is the second one. This is the second one. Even though I'm going to return this one because I'm not a fan of the USB ports. I like the other one with the plug. It comes with solar panels. Each one of them comes with a solar panel. Listen, I'm not telling y'all to buy this brand. I have a lot of different brands of generators and different power efficiency, I guess that might be it, on my Amazon in my Amazon shop for y'all. It's under the category the 92 because we know who is for, right? So I have this. Again, it comes with a solar panel, so I have two of them with two solar panels. And like I said, I'm not the biggest fan of this. I literally was about to return it today, but after hearing Canada pop off, as they are in the right to, I might keep it for a couple of days just in case, okay? But I'm going to insert videos of the other one that I was gifted, okay? So y'all can see the one that I really want and why. I just think that if things shut down, I'm going to need something that you can actually plug, 2 or 3 prawn plugs into, like a stove, USB, and then that's cute for a phone, but anywho, so that's one item. I recently just got this item. This is, here we go. Don't mind me, I'm not making no edits. I have stuff to do. Now, I'm not taking any of these out the packages. Now, you do already know I have food. I've been telling you, I have food stacked up. I have food, and I have 8 cases of water at this time. So for now, I have rice. I'll show you my rice containers in a moment. But I have a stove, a portable stove. Again, if I have to never use any of these items, I'll use them for like a camping trip or something. But I'd rather be safe than sorry. Now, this is the fuel for the stove, because again, you need fuel. It takes like 2 or 3 different types, like 2 different types of fuel. So I think it takes regular oil as well. So that's a good look. I think this cost me like $20 or something like that. It really didn't cost a lot. Again, these items that I'm talking to you about, I did purchase on Amazon because I wanted them fast, and we might need them fast, right? And like or you should know, I have an Amazon storefront. I'm going to leave the link in the description so y'all can find your items and get them, because I don't know what's about to happen. I saw this a couple years ago. And I always remembered it. So when all of this happened, I decided, you know what, I'm going to get it. So this is something that basically you put in a tub. It's kind of like a big old balloon, right? You put it in the tub when, things about to go to shit, water might be shut off or whatever. And it will collect, I think it said 40 gallons or 100 gallons. Stores 100 gallons of water in the tub in this plastic bag. You also have like a little pump thing on the top. I'm not taking it out the box. You have this little pump thing on the top where you can pump the water out when you need it, okay? Because listen, we are so used to conveniences, but if shit hit the fan, it's old school. It's old school. Shout out to everybody born before like 95, because I don't know how these little kids about to figure this out. They don't even know how to read a map, but it's our job to teach them, I guess. First aid kit. Again, y'all see I got all these things in a plastic. I literally just put them in the cabinet and it's just going to store there. Now, this is the emergency radio. It gets emergency broadcast, AM, FM. It is rechargeable by battery and solar light, because solar, okay? If shit go to shit, it's solar power, AM AM, FM, and WB, which is like the weather. It's water resistant, and it also gives a SOS alarm out. Like, you know, a SOS alarm, and a LED light. So I got this, as well as, where's the other one? Oh, as well as, you know, a regular, also solar powered flashlight. Yes, they accept batteries, but it's the solar power for me. I should go buy me batteries. That's what I did not buy me. Now, I also have 2 of these. These are life straws, okay? Personal water filter straws. Again, if shit go to shit, I got 2. One for me and one for my mini-me. Okay? And addition to these straws, I got these. I'm going to see if I get the other one as well. These are tablets that go into water bottles or whatever to clean water, parasites and all of that. Because again, if shit go to shit, we don't know, you know, and we still need water to survive. So I have the straws, and I also got these tablets. I believe they said you put them in a bottle, a gallon, something like that, for like an hour, for like a half an hour, and then the water is safe to drink. Listen, yes, I might be overdoing it, but I'd rather overdo it than die from starvation and dehydration. That sounds horrible. What else do I have? I have a little mini compass. Little mini compass. Okay? And to go along with the mini compasses, I got old school. Remember, I was speaking to my daughter, and I realized how truly ridiculous some of these kids are. And because of how truly ridiculous some of these kids are, look what I bought. Yes, a road atlas. It tells you all main roads, side roads, all the roads in New York, in America, Canada, and Mexico. Okay, so I'm gonna find a way to escape. I'm laughing, but I'm dead ass serious. I bought an atlas because we don't have maps no more. They don't even sell maps no more. I'm old enough to know how to read a map. So I need to make sure if shit go to shit, you know, that we have, because you can't use Google Maps or Apple Maps or whatever if we ain't got no service. So I got me a little mini atlas. Well, it's not mini, it's huge, but what do you expect for something that have every road in the Northern Hemisphere? I also got this. Off-grid Survival Project Bible. It tells you different ways to survive, basically. How to attach solar panels, how to pickle items, how to grow. It's a lot of things in here, and I love it. Hold on. Okay, I'm back. So, I have 2 of these. This is my rice container. One of them I have dog food in because I can't make my dog starve. It's filled with dog food. Plus I have like 2 extra like 15-pound bags of dog food on the side. Okay, because he got to eat too. But I have one for dog food and one for rice. I have not started opening the ginormous bags of rice yet. I have 3 20-pound bags. So they can fit here. It comes with its own little scoop and everything. The scoop is in there. It comes with its own little scoop. It's airtight, sealed. I know the food does not go stale, and you know how I know the food don't go stale? Because my dog don't eat stale food. And once I put his dog food in there, he's been eating his food with no problem. He does not like food that's been left out more than like 3 or 4 hours. He don't want to eat it. So that's how I know, just off my experience, that it works and the food is thoroughly sealed. Now, I don't have an empty one, so I brought one with some beans. I have about 4 of these filled with different types of beans. They're all 4-pound bags of beans. This is 4 pounds because, again, I don't touch these until I need to touch these. I have other provisions for, like, before shit go to shit. You know, my regular rice, my regular beans, stuff like that, right? So I have 4 of these different kind of beans. I have This is red beans. I have kidney beans. I have black eyed peas. I have, I believe I have lentils. I'm not sure. And I have an extra 5 pound, an extra 4 pound, because they don't come in 5 pound, an extra 4 pound bag of each of these beans. All right. Last but not least, this was a random purchase, y'all. It cost me like $6, and I was already ordering a lot of the other stuff. These are those silver blankets that keep heat, you know, keeps you warm or whatever. Because like I said, we don't know. We don't know. Okay? We don't know if, you know, our electricity gonna go out. It's fucking zero below ass. Who knows? If we literally have to, you know, march out of our states and be outside in these streets, we don't know. So I went and I got these. It's a 4-pack, 55 by 84 emergency mylar thermal blankets. I got 4 of them. Okay? And yeah. I'm trying to think, do I have anything else off the top of my brain? No, like I said, I have food, but I really don't feel like, you know, bringing all that here. I got the Spam. I got the Vienna sausage. I don't even eat that shit no more. I used to eat it when I was little. I don't eat that shit no more, but it's there because they stay fresh for a long time. I've been collecting cans of vegetables. Like I said, I got all this rice, all these waters. Veggies. I have a lot of frozen goods, but again, if the fridge goes, that's one of the reasons I have 2 generators, so I can like at least keep my fridge going, you know, and have it for other things. Yo, I'm not, listen, I don't know what the hell is gonna go on. I just dropped a video on, I think on YouTube, it turned it into a short, so I'm going to say this here before we leave. I literally just got off the phone not an hour ago with someone at Chuck Schumer's office, and I left a message for Hakeem Jeffries. So I'm going to leave that message here too, okay? I've been voting for Chuck Schumer since I've been able to vote, okay? I'm here in Brooklyn, Crown Heights, baby. We know. I've been voting for Hakeem, came right out of Crown Heights. I've been voting for Hakeem since rep and city council. I've been voting for him from the bottom to the top. So I called. Okay, I called. I gave the number. I believe it's 2. I'm gonna give you the number right now. Hold on. Hold on. Okay, the number is 202-224-3121. That is the dashboard to get in contact with your congressmen, senators, and representatives. So just call them and ask for your senator and speak to them. You won't be able to speak to them. Leave a message, you know, and my message was, whatever the frick Orangina got to talk to them about tomorrow, I need them to get up and walk out. I don't want to hear anything. I've been voting for you for 20. I need you to get up and walk out. I need y'all to stand on some type of business. We are from Brooklyn. Chuck Schumer is from Brooklyn. Hakeem Jeffries is from Crown Heights, Brooklyn. Stand on business. So I'm going to ask y'all to call your senators, congressmen. Again, the number is 202-224-3121. And let them know that they need to do something, okay? That your Democratic congressmen know to stand up and walk the hell out. And if you have Republican congressmen you call, they don't need to know if you're a Democrat. Just call them. Tell them your zip code and tell them do something, okay? All right. So that's my beginner, I don't know if it would be considered beginner friendly because I feel like I got a lot. I feel like I do a lot. I did a lot. But listen, we gonna be able to survive at least for like a month, 2 months, because who knows what the hell is gonna happen. I would rather be prepared than not. I have also been looking into those hydro growing systems, so I'm probably gonna be making the next video, if shit life can go to shit, in probably like 2 months or so with that. Okay, because I'm gonna probably get one or two of those very soon as well, so I can start growing my own fruits and vegetables. Okay, I live in a Brooklyn apartment. So I know if you live in a house or whatever, you probably got space. You might have some grass, do what you have to do. But I live in a New York City apartment, a high one. I live up, so but we have good light. So I'm gonna buy my little I forgot what they call it, hydro whatever. It's like pods and you grow stuff, whatever. I'm gonna buy it and start growing my own fruits and vegetables in the meantime, because child, pears is really about to be $50 a piece. Anywho, I'm gonna get up out of here. I'm streaming. I start up my live soon, but I had some other things I wanted to do, so it wasn't at noon. But nonetheless, I'll see y'all in a couple of minutes. And again, all my products that I showed you today are listed on my in my Amazon shop. I know we are boycotting Amazon, so maybe not get it from Amazon. Amazon is willing to deliver this shit in a day. Again, I didn't get this from Amazon. I got this directly from Solex. Directly from Anchor Solex, right? I ain't gonna hold you. It took about 8 days to get here. The first one was here in 2 days. The first one we got from Amazon, it was here in 2 days, okay? This shit was supposed to be delivered on Friday, and I didn't get it until yesterday, all right? Again, but I ordered it the week before, so it literally was like 10, 12 days before I received this from California. If you are in California, you might get it quicker, okay? But I'm just saying, especially right now, I'm not playing. And like I said, if you can't afford it, it is what it is, But I did get a small one for my mom. She asked me to I do her ordering for her. She got it from the TikTok shop. Okay? It was like $20. And they had a solar panel I think the whole purchase was like $40, $50. Because she just wanted a little one before she was able to grab her, a big one. Right? So even if you just get one that's good enough to charge your phone or to charge like, a little radio. Listen, ladies who are over the age of 40, if you're not, listen to me. We might be going back to the regular channels. Remember when we had TV channels? Y'all remember when we had TV channels, then we didn't need a Fire Stick and all of that stuff for? We might be going back there. AM, FM, SOS. You saw I got me that little radio. Where is this in the box? You saw I got me that little radio, flashlight, SOS situation, a map. Even if you can't buy Atlas right now, maybe like save a map of your town or a map to somewhere, save it, print it out if you can. MapQuest still there? If MapQuest is still out there, get your shit, copy it, print it, and have it available somewhere, folded up somewhere just in case you need it, okay? I also have an envelope. I'm not going to show y'all the envelope, but I have an envelope with all my important documents. Like, I normally have like a box for a bunch of important stuff. The envelope is literally like birth certificates, socials, stuff like that. Things that, you just going to grab, passports and shit, grab and run. Grab the envelope, what you can, and get the fuck up out of there, right? That's what I have in there. So we're gonna be prepared. I hope this video was helpful a little bit. Yeah.